after 3 months of usage, I can actually say that the Tecno Buds 3 are one of the best earbuds that I've used so far. After 3 months, you can see that there are a lot of scratches, but these still work fine. So I'm going to go through the spec sheet and also tell you the good and the bad. Of course, I don't think you're going to see any bad about this, but I think these earbuds are overall good enough for the price of $20. And I think that's one of the best things that I need to talk about, because already these are very cheap wireless earbuds as compared to many others in the market, which are going for somewhere around $50 to even way around $150, which is way beyond my budget and other people's budget. And since I love budget tech so much, I think these are the best earbuds that I can recommend to you right now. The first thing that you need to know is that the Tecno Buds 3 can actually withstand up to 35 hours of deep bass enjoyment. This means that you're going to be using them for a long period of time, and when I tell you that these earbuds work to that extent, I don't think you need to actually go into an argument with me, because I've been using this for a long period of time. I don't think they'll reach 35 hours, but somewhere around 1 day and a half you'll be fine. And since the earbuds case itself also holds enough power, I think you're going to last even more than 2 days. You're going to last way around a week or even more than that if you're only using them for a short period of time, then putting them back in their case. These earbuds work with Bluetooth 5 version 5.3, which is very good for connectivity, which means that they're going to be faster connection speeds and even good sound quality, which is a very good feature to put on some budget smartphones. In terms of bass, I'm not going to lie to you. If you're a bass head, these are the best earbuds for you. They also have a powerful bass booster and omni noise cancellation for calls. What I didn't like about these is going to be the haptic feedback, because the first days when you are using these and using the touch sensitive bars on the side, they are very sensitive, but the time goes on, these actually wears out, which is something that I really expected since these are budget wireless earbuds. They also have IPX5 water resistance, and I think in terms of the spec sheet, we are done. From 35 hours of playtime, omni noise cancellation for clarity in calls, top tech connectivity due to Bluetooth 5.3, and an IPX5 water resistance and sweat proofing. I don't think you would ask for more. So thank you so much for watching this video, and also please subscribe to the channel.